Big Dog be like, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Manners lessons now. It's Detective Frenchie on the case, sniffing the bat away.
Huh?
When your flip-flop goes missing, there's only one suspect. He won't eat if you won't dip. What a picky eater.
She hates it. I'm trying to get her used to it. I can take you outside. I can take you outside.
Born with style, one slipper is all you need to make a statement. Who needs two pairs anyway?
Should we do it? Should we go do the correct thing? Ha 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 ha! Never! Let's make poor decisions! Woo!
Well, don't dare poke the mother cat there, guys. Hello, Feline Receptionist speaking.
Chips.
Tag your bestie who's always there, ensuring that your napping goes well. When Doggo drops subtle hints about a park trip, but you miss the memo. Who's gonna win the title of the cutest kid in the house? Let's vote.
My loneliness is killing me.
What makes me want to be lonely is your voice.
So still believe, Come on. Come on.
He's certified himself as a cute and pro door cleaner, so stains beware. No doubt that this kitty cat declares independence and decides to embrace the bag life prematurely.
Hey guys, you wanna go fishing? We'll go fishing, okay?
Who's the most loyal fan of the cooking show? Kitty joins the chat. Imagine a billiard tournament taken over by a mischievous gang of kittens. It isn't just about getting clean, it's a full-scale bubble-making show.
Here you go. So good and tasty.
Jungle, here I come! And that's your kitty practicing for her Tarzan audition. What up?
What do you want? Huh? You've gotten dinner.
Get him some shiny tap shoes. He'll definitely show you his moves.
You want a treat? You want a treat?
Oh my god.
Yes!
The sign of a lifelong friendship. One friend does everything, one just stands supportively. This is me running like an athlete after a parent-teacher meeting. People call it sleeping around, but it's the art of urban relaxation.
Jim, what is that noise you are making right now, sir? Oh, okay.
Well, this meeting certainly needs a spice up, right? Zoom bombing 101. He has the face of Gordon Ramsay when beef's overcooked. Doggo's motto, sharing is caring, and so is playtime.
Mírala. Mira cómo está. Agotada de todo lo que jodió. Agotada de todo lo que jodió. Está. Y se portas espantoso, horrible, molécula. Te portas horrible, molécula.
Cat stare, the universal language of judgment. Trying to sleep, but your friend's toxic love story takes center stage again. The music is on, and you know it's time for some Looney Tunes with Doggo.
They're closed. I'm sorry, sweetie, they're closed. No.
Who needs water slides anymore when you can do it at home? Tell me you have a noisy baby without telling me that.
Tell me you have a golden retriever without telling me you have a golden retriever.
Men in Black, a monochrome friendship that defies the color wheel. If you tell me she's not Snow White, I won't believe you.
Wow.
Guys, I think my dog is broken.
Sit. Lay down. Roll over.
Roll over.
You got it.
No. Come on, lay down. Roll over. All right. That's good enough.
Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, two princes were sleeping in sync.
Daddy! Daddy's home! Go get him!
When your dog sleeps like he has had a wild night out with too many treats. As the water fountain turns into a canine water park, let's bring the game on. What are you looking at? First time witnessing the legendary Spider Cat in action. Behold, the epic battle of the tiny titans. Who will rule the world? Me being smugly confident when knowing the answer to the teacher's question. I think this dog's broken. Can someone give him an eating and drinking tutorial, please? Furry vacuum in action. Vacuum now, pay later in biscuits. This is my wake-up alarm every morning. Jealous yet? Join the feline world of speed dating. Sparks fly or die.
Oliver, can I have your bowl? Can I have it? Can I have it? Thanks.
Dog's tail isn't just an accessory, it's a wholehearted welcome home dance.
Jack?
As your dog does this, you've got a four-legged detective in the house.
¿Te parece bonito?
Doggo reminder, let's balance work and relaxation. Every squeak's a break. Good wine in pour, good view in sight. He's truly living in the lux of life. When your cat knows how to negotiate cuddle terms, you better hold her tight.
Ella, no puedes estar con la oreja ahí, mira, te has mojado.
Introducing the ultimate doggy sports complex, where your dog can become a fitness superstar. Supervising the office, Orange Cat Edition. Chop chop lollipop human. Who can resist an outdoor public beach? Need some life vests, buddy?
Pero no, déjame cagar en paz, hija de puta. Tómatela, tómatela.
Intrusive thoughts got you all tangled up. Just lie down like this yoga guru.
What is it?
How to wake up from a bad dream 101. Shake it off. Introverts be like, do I owe you this lovely visit? While shutting the door.
Bone china set out or anything. They were
Ears catching, because sometimes dogs have their own version of fun that leaves us all entertained.
parties, especially in people.
No dreams small, and this boy's shooting for his big bone treasure. Go! Let's meet our Oscar-worthy actors, playing dead with dramatic flair. Peter Parker, is that you?
That is the funniest thing I've ever seen.
Guess who lives in your house rent-free and takes all your money? Aw, no doubt that this is the universal love language of pets. Your husband said he wouldn't keep cats, and now he's like,
Какой у нас кукушка, блин, сраная. Пиздюк просто. Это ж надо вообще взять, съесть тую, и как в коконе сидеть там.
haters will say it's a mess, but it's a goofy water ballet. The splashier, the better. Fantastic finale. Dogs and cats in cahoots. What a riot. Hit subscribe, share the laughter, and join us for more antics. Until next time, meow and woof you later.